Hi, today we're making pumpkins. We're carving pumpkins today. And today I'm gonna decorate my pumpkin. And we got these seeds so we can make a what do you call it? You know the sunflower seeds? We're gonna the pumpkin seeds, these are pumpkin seeds, and we're gonna garden them so we can have flowers from pumpkin seeds. And you can just see inside of here.
I'm doing nothing.
Oh, it's really hard. I can't even do it. Look. Carving pumpkins.
Mommy!
Oh.
Mommy, can I use this?
Right
Hello.
we don't want to do this right now. I know it's annoying. Look.
Mommy!
Put my hand in here. Put my hand in here and scrape it all.
This is the dirty clothes, Mom. This is in the bathroom, so can I put it in here? No, this is Angel, and this is my pumpkin. I'm going to make a pumpkin, and my mom's going to help me. So I have to take all the seeds out. See, let's do it.
Hi. I'm Brittany. You see my pumpkin? I'm going to make it into a regular pumpkin with a mean face. And that's it.
It's called a jack-o'-lantern.
Oh yeah, it's called a jack-o'-lantern. Oh, my finger's burning.
I'm taking the seeds out. Take with this.
See, I'm done with my pumpkin. I just have to just cut the thing I made, cut it out, and then finish. And I'm gonna put a candle on top and put it over here, and I'm done. Or maybe up here somewhere. And that's all we have for today, folks. Goodbye and
we'll
hello,
be right back.
America.
We'll be back when we're done.
We'll be right back.
We'll be done.